Dude, I just tried to tail it before we started this video just to see what they felt like, and I almost killed myself. So it's gonna be a very interesting challenge to try to ride in these big red boots. I don't know why the hell they made them. I don't know if it was an actual thing or an attempt to make the thing, but they're crazy hard because you can't bend your ankle. So just walking feels weird, and then when you take them off, walking feels even more weird. So I really thought I'd be able to do a lot more stuff, but we're just gonna try to do 10 tricks. 5 in this new skate park that they just built in Raleigh. It's kind of like a DIY drop, but funded by the city, and then 5 flat. Feel more confident on flat. Very noisy, a lot of cars, a lot of wind, it might rain, so throw the music and let's see what we can do in these big red boots. Why would you make these? Worst thing in the world. Tried to do a tail, didn't work, so those are the only tricks that I felt comfortable and safe doing since no one's here at the park. Asking to just ruin my probably knees. Since your ankle won't bend, something's gonna bend. I'm not trying to wreck and sprain my knee today. We're gonna do 5 tricks on flat. I feel a little bit more confident with the pegs. Think we could survive this video. Let's see. Worst idea. Worst idea to make them and worst idea to try to ride in them. Did not feel safe. I don't know what it is. Any wheel experiment that you've seen on the channel feels way more comfortable than those shoes. Don't ever ride in them. I don't feel good. They're very gooey, they're very sticky, they're a lot bigger than your foot, and they take up a ton of deck space. So you're always stepping on yourself, which is, I pictured a face plant this entire video. So I didn't face plant. Success.